This video tutorial I will explain SQL unique constraint. The unique constraint ensures that all the values in the columns are different. Both unique and primary key constraints provide a guarantee for uniqueness for a column or set of columns. A primary key constraint automatically has a unique constraint, and we can have many unique constraints per table, but only one primary key constraint per table. We will see one example now. Here you can see employee table. It has 5 columns and it has 1 row. And by default, the primary key is unique. In this table, the primary key is employee ID. Here, employee table has one record with primary key 1. And here I am trying to insert one more record with primary key 1. We will see what happens. And we got error saying the primary key 1 is already there. So by default, the primary key is unique. Now I am changing to 2, the primary key value, trying to insert, and it inserted new record. Now if you see, the employee name value is duplicate. So I want to make it as unique. We will see how to do that. Here using alter table query, I am adding a unique constraint to the employee name column of employee table. Executing this. Here you can see unique constraint is added. Now I am trying to insert employee record with the same employee name again, and we got error saying employee name should be unique. It is saying it is duplicate entry. So only unique value is allowed. Suppose if I want to drop the unique key constraint, then I can use this query. Alter table, name of the table is employee, drop index, then the index name, which is the unique key constraint name. Execute this query. Successful. Refresh. And here you can see the unique key constraint is gone. Suppose if I want to add a unique key constraint for combination of 2 columns, then I can use this query. Alter table, employee, add constraint, and the constraint name is UC underscore employee, and unique constraint I am applying for employee name and age. Executing this. It is success. And now I am trying to insert one more record with same name and same age, which is already there in the employee table. We will see what happens. And it is saying it is duplicate entry. Combination of name and age should be different, else it will throw this error. Now I am changing the age to 43, and this time it will allow to insert one more record, because combination of name and age is different compared to the existing record in the employee table. And you can see one more record is inserted. If I want to remove the unique key constraint UC underscore employee, then I can use this query. Alter table, employee, drop index, and the constraint name is UC underscore employee. Execute this. Successful. Refresh. and here you can see the unique constraint is removed. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.